breaking news for DUOT technology. Yes, DUOT is one of my newest tickers, and we just got the deal with Elon Musk. How crazy is that? All about this here in this video.
Welcome to the game, I'm the wolf of Dubai.
Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Danny. I'm trying to find always new tickers that we can be early on. And this is a ticker here that we are very early on because we are investing in this company since like a $250 million company market cap, like microscopic essentially. And on the other hand, now it's went up already to like 400 million. It's still very, very tiny. One or a couple of few news and this goes absolutely nuts. And if you want to be part of that, make sure to always subscribe to all of my channels. And also, if you want to be very early and want to have even our AutoPilot trading software where we send you all the trades, we have 100% win rate this week. As you can see here, those are the user profits just from this week. As you can see, if you want to be part of it before we're raising our joining fee in 2 days, make sure to check out xtendaytrading.com and I see you there for a call, 50 minutes, and we see if we can help you. You need at least like $10,000 to start with, but if you have that, let's see if we can help you. Now, we will dive into the clip because I said so many times, 5%, they own 5% sweat equity in a gas turbine company. And it makes sense that this company gets acquired. And look what happened. They just released an SEC filing. This is breaking news. Have a look. So as we are seeing, DUOT stock actually loses about 6% today. There is some massive breaking news, guys, on the share, okay? And massive ones. I talked about it. I said like, hey guys, it's super interesting what they are getting with the 5%. So let me give you the story, okay? Essentially, there's a company that they made a deal with, and with this company they said, hey, you will acquire, it's like a financial company called Fortress, okay? Fortress, go out and let me just show it to you how those look like, okay? Elon Musk Colossus turbines, okay? You can actually see that what this company have done together with DUOT technology is that they purchased those gas turbines in 2024, okay? And then DUOT made the fantastic move and said, you know what? We will help you. We will maintenance those turbines, but we want to have 5% in this new company that owns the turbines. Okay. Then what happened was that Elon Musk purchased, I think, 2 billion worth of turbines. Okay. This was just recently. Okay. Let me see if we find this. Yeah, here you go. So they just bought 2.8 billion worth of turbines. And imagine then those turbines are essentially the same type that Elon Musk is using. So in the whole plan of DUOT and my analysis was, hey, what happens if the turbines get sold, right? You get like a cashback, and they just filed yesterday. Here you can see on the website on the 28th of May, and they issued like a SEC 8K where they essentially said the following, okay? They said, as previously disclosed, DUOT Technology owns a 5% non-voting ownership interest in Sawgrass APR Holdings. This is a new company that this financial house and DUOT recommended them to buy that and make like a sweat equity deal. Okay, so that's the new company. And those company owns the turbine. The ultimate parent company, the new APR Energy, as of May 2026, substantially all of the assets of Nube were sold to a third party, which is Elon Musk, right? As a result of the sale, in connection with its ownership interest in the company, receives net proceeding of approximately $50 million, guys. They get $50 million. Additional amount of approximately 9.9 million was retained in escrow in connection with the company's pro rata portion of any indemnity and other similar obligations that may be owed to the purchaser under the asset purchase agreement. Any such funds remaining in escrow after 12 months will be distributed to the company. So they essentially got themselves $50 billion. And guys, for such a small company, that's a huge portion of the cash and what they can use for it, right? So you can see here, they made the deal you see how good the management actually is. They made the deal, they sold, they got like 5% sweat equity, and then Elon Musk came around, bought those turbines, and they get $50 million out of it. This is amazing, guys, okay? This is enough money that they can get a loan, or they don't have to dilute shareholders, right? To essentially raise money to buy and to buy parts like GPUs, build their EDCs, their edge data centers, and so on. I mean, like how this company is executing, and we know from the all other AI companies, the demand is unbelievable for this, what they are buying. For data centers that just can be connected anywhere, don't need much power, don't need cooling, right? They have like the fans attached to the containers. I mean, this is breaking news. This is amazing. This is unbelievable. And yeah, this is just so amazing to see that this company is doing one beautiful step after another, and amazing. Just absolutely amazing. Let's go back to the vlog. So you can see this company is absolutely set up nicely. They don't have to dilute anymore. They can use that 50 million in like 12 months. But once that is done, like they can use the money to build, and they can already like kind of use that money. Like they can go to the bank and say like, hey, we have like 50 million escrow, give us like $30 million and we build data centers, right? This is insane, guys. They can scale tremendously. They can have a tremendous return in this quarter, okay? They can surprise everybody with these numbers. This is amazing. This is like the SEC filing that is so important. We saw it coming from miles. This is what deep research is really all about. If you want to have more, make sure to subscribe. Check out xnDayTrading.com if you want us to trade for you. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video, and the grass is greener always on the other side.